From Creamer Media in Johannesburg, this is the Real Economy Report. Aviation company Airbus has launched a new customer support center for Airbus Commercial Aircraft in Johannesburg, Gauteng, to bring locally focused services closer to customers across Africa. Sabrina Jardim tells us more.
The new customer support center facility will improve customer proximity while offering a full range of services to help operators maintain safe, efficient, and reliable fleets. The center will provide technical assistance, engineering and maintenance solutions, fleet performance analysis, training services, and on-site customer support for all Airbus commercial aircraft families, including the A220, A320, A330, and A350.
The expansion of our footprint in Southern Africa with the opening of the customer support office here shows Airbus' dedication in accompanying the growth of the aviation sector in Africa. Our forecast sees the increase of airplanes by 1,460 in the next 20 years. And we want to be here to accompany our operators, to accompany their operations, their maintenance organization, and to make sure that the growth of the aviation sector is, one, sustainable, and two, safe. The idea is really to be as close as possible to our customers. Being located here, having that reach across the continent, is a key lever to ensuring close proximity to our airlines operations, ensuring that we've got foot on the ground, being reactive to their request, understanding their needs, and addressing them with the right solution, be it digital or training-related services.
Airbus has been present in Africa since 1976 when the first A300 was delivered to the continent. Today, nearly 40 airlines operate more than 260 Airbus aircraft. According to its global services forecast, Airbus foresees that there will be a need for 14,000 new pilots and 21,000 mechanics and engineers on the African continent in the next 20 years to meet the growing demand in air travel. The opening also coincides with Airbus helicopters celebrating 30 years of service and innovation in Southern Africa, where the Midrand hub provides maintenance, spare parts, logistics support, and Africa's first H125 virtual reality simulator for pilot training. Airbus Defence and Space also continues to support African governments with military aircraft, Earth observation services, and satellite connectivity solutions.
This 30 years celebration of Airbus Southern Africa in South Africa represent the resilience and the perseverance of the company in the region. Despite the different events which have taken place in our region, in particular the most recent crisis of COVID, where we remained a key actor in the aviation sector in Southern Africa. One of the highlights that I like to remind people is the delivery of the first AS350 B3 to the South African Police Service in 2000. It shows the long-term relationship that we build with our operators regionally and in the world. But it's not just South Africa Police, it's also Botswana Police and Namibia Police, as well as private customers across the region. The first AS350 B3 delivered to Kenya was achieved in 1999, just 5 years after the creation of Airbus Southern Africa. And the first H130 T2 was delivered to Angola in the early 2000s. And then recently, we delivered the first ACH 125 to a South African customer, and the first ACH 145 to another regional customer. So we have evolved with Airbus helicopter products and delivered those new products to regional customers.
With more than 180 African suppliers integrated into its global supply chain, Airbus noted in a media release that it continues to play a key role in developing the continent's aerospace capabilities. From components manufacturing and maintenance services to training partnerships and technology transfer, Airbus said its industrial presence supports job creation, skills development, and local economic growth across Africa.
Our enduring presence, marked by nearly 5 decades in the continent, and the commitment from Airbus and 30 years of impact from Airbus helicopters here in South Africa, as well as the official opening of our customer support center in Africa here today, underscores our profound belief in the region's future. We're not just selling aircraft, helicopters, space, or military assets. We're investing in partnerships. We're fostering skills and building capacity across the continent. Our aim is to continue driving connectivity, resilience, and shared growth, contributing to a prosperous and interconnected Africa.
Speaking at the event, South African Civil Aviation Authority Executive Dean Khumalo highlighted the role of Airbus in shaping South Africa's aviation landscape. He discussed the importance of future-oriented partnerships with governments, operators, training institutions, and original equipment manufacturers, such as Airbus, noting that OEMs play a catalytic role in unlocking local capability and fostering skills development. Meanwhile, during a media briefing in July, Airbus Africa Commercial Aircraft Customer Services VP Laurent Negre noted that by 2030, Airbus aims to serve the largest commercial aircraft fleet globally with 18,000 Airbus aircraft in operation.
These milestones reflect more than just longevity or infrastructure. They represent a steadfast commitment to Africa's journey and a belief in the continent's future. 30 years in aviation is no small feat. It speaks to strategic foresight, enduring partnerships, and an ability to adapt and thrive in a dynamic landscape. Airbus has been more than just a provider of aircraft. It has been a partner in progress, whether enabling humanitarian missions, enhancing regional connectivity, or advancing aviation innovation. Airbus has played a pivotal role in shaping the African aviation landscape. This new customer support center is more than bricks and mortar. It is a symbol of confidence in Africa's aviation future. With the continent's economy projected to grow steadily and aircraft demand expected to triple by 2043, we must be ready together to meet that future head-on.
This event is a key milestone for Airbus. It's a true commitment that Airbus sees the growth in our region, wants to take an active part in it, and we really look forward to the writing of this new chapter, and we'll really welcome our operators to write that new story with us.
That's Creamer Media's Real Economy Report. Join us again next week for more news and insights into South Africa's real economy. And don't forget to listen to the audio version of our Engineering News daily email newsletter.